So I'm in the drive-through at HJ's. They've just shut the window because it's fucking, yeah, it's pretty deep in here. Because you got the cover on the top as well. So cool. Awesome. Thank you very much for that. Have a good one. Just gonna chuck that in here, and then I'm gonna go around and have me try latte, and then I will freaking go pick up the missus. Fun and games. Fucking speed humps everywhere, man. Nah, didn't do it. See you around there. No worries. You don't mind if I roll in? I'll just roll in. Yeah, sweet. Cool. Can I wind this window down? I'll wind the window down, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, sweet as.
Yeah, if you're right.
I'll just, I'll just leave my seatbelt off. Oh. Geez, I've never been in one of these, eh? Heaps of room. I'll leave the window down, eh?
Yeah, if you want it.
Sweet. We have arrived. I'll go through there shortly. About 20 to 7. Got a few people here already. Probably 15, 20 cars. That's a decent size though. 3.5 inch, 4 inch dump maybe. slowly filling up. So yeah, we're just about to head off. 8:10. Mrs. is in there watching a movie. Oh, talking to someone on the phone. She's going to start wrapping probably after she's hit proper temperature. So, yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. It was cool catching up with everyone at Sevens night. Glenn, Matt, Luke, Driveline Mafia was there as well. And I'm just trying to think. Anyone else at the moment? It's really early, and I'm still trying to freaking wake up. So, but yeah, it was pretty cool. There's some pretty tough cars there, and yeah, well, there's a lot of stuff coming up this month. Anyway, we've got Rotary Riot on the freaking 24th of July. Don't miss that. My pre-meets at Yatla Drive-In, and then we have 8's night in August, Jamboree in August. Da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Anyway, that's it for me. Cheers, thanks, like, subscribe, hate, love, do whatever you want. But just keep on rapping. Catch you next time. Bye. How cool is that? Marek was selling them at the 7 of Clubs Japanese event that I just went to or came from. That is awesome. And guess what? My daughter's going to tax that. It just plugs into the USB, just like that. Okay. Just chuck it in there. That's the way.